So talk to me about this one. This is, what is it, a LeSabre?
61 Buick LeSabre.
It was a nice car. How long ago did you do this car?
About 2 months ago.
Okay, so it's fresh.
Yeah. It's 2 blues and a silver mixed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It's all tropical glitz, so.
I love it, and it's super simple.
Yeah, that's what you wanted. Simple pinstriping, and then the roses on the side here.
So she wanted the. I love the rose, bro. Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, this is freehand, dude. It almost looks like a stencil the way how clean.
Yeah,
it
it's
is.
all freehand. Yeah, I just drew it on there, and then
It's dope.
yeah, and then the striping.
You know, if you didn't tell me it had chrome, I wouldn't be able to tell.
It's a little bit. It's probably 80% of the blue, the 2 blues, and then the rest is the silver.
How much time you got on this one? Cause I'm just like a weekend banger almost.
Kind of same thing. It was about 3 weeks. Not a lot of hours, but actually it ended up being more hours because the roof was this blue color when I came to me.
Okay.
And
I see you did a different shade.
well, what ended up happening was the original paint job had peeled off because it was poor prep from the whoever did the paint prior. So I had to strip it down to bare metal from this point back after I'd already flaked it. And I had to strip the drip rails, and I was told that this was an OEM 61 Buick color, so I just had the color made. And unfortunately it wasn't the same color, so that's why I did the fade with the flake.
Yeah.
On the post.
I saw that, but that's a nice save, bro.
Yeah.
And it's a nice touch that you have it.
Same thing, it's just a fake fade.
It gives it a good two-tone.
Yeah, exactly.
A lot of these cars back then were two-tone to begin with.
Yeah. So that was just circumstances, a happy little accident, like Bob Ross says.
I love the car. It's a little different than what I'm used to see.
And then all the pinstriping on the body I did too.
Oh, and the car's really clean. The car looks at the paint job.
Yeah. No, it's just well taken care of.
It's super straight.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, 61 Buick LeSabre bubble top.
There you go.
It was a fun car.
And it's simple.